This 5-minute solution will show you how to add your social media links to your Twitch channel. Follow me to do it. Open your browser and open twitch.tv, and once you are here, make sure to sign into your Twitch account. Then click on your profile photo and click on settings, and here select channel and videos, and now make sure to select about, and here scroll down, and here you will get social link section. Now you have to add your social media's links one by one. Enter here your social media link. For example, I'm tapping here Facebook, and here you have to paste your social media profile link and click on add. And as you can see, I've successfully added my social media links here. So that's how you will be able to add multiple social media links. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.